Hi all, welcome back to T&D Style. We will create a star pattern set. Restock this set purchase WhatsApp purchase. First, deep red black color combination. Top star pattern create fabric. Top black base side. Top back same star pattern. Top is 2.5 meter, 48-49 length. This top. Dupatta is crepe jewelry. Dupatta is white color. Shibori print dupatta. Dupatta is top is same star pattern. This is dupatta. Bottom is crepe jewelry. Bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is yellow and black color combination. Shibori print set. Eppolum entire set star pattern set. Top back same black and shibori print red shade shibori print top black and base set white color star pattern Dupatta is crepe jewelry dupatta nalli shade nalli mustard dupatta bottom is crepe jewelry bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is dark mehendi green shade black color shibori print white color star pattern top is crepe jewelry fabric stretchable fabric top back same top dupatta is crepe jewelry dupatta top and bottom dupatta crepe fabric bottom is crepe jewelry bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is new color color shade grape shade color shade star pattern white color new white color shade top and back same shibori print black color top and black and base side white color top dupatta is crepe jewelry dupatta print pattern dupatta top is same bottom is crepe jewelry bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is dark purple shade star pattern black color shibori print top and back same shibori print top dupatta is crepe jewelry dupatta is shibori print bottom is crepe jewelry bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. This star pattern crepe jewelry collection. This purchase WhatsApp purchase. YouTube like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you.